Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you that how to speed up your computer and laptop in just 1 minute. So simply in order to do this, just you have to go to run in Windows 7, in my case Windows 10. So simply just type the temp here. You can also visit the temp folder in C drive. Simply just you have to open the temp folder, and just after that simply select the all file and press on delete button and delete all the files. Now you don't need to be worried because some files are remain in your folder, so you don't need to worry about this. Just after that, when you delete all these icons, so simply just go back and now here check the disk cleanup. Just type the disk cleanup here, and after that open the disk cleanup, and here in my case I have Windows in C drive, so select that drive and after that click on OK. So now here check all the files one by one, and after that click on OK. So now your disk cleanup is being completed. After that just restart your computer. So in this way you can easily speed up your computer and laptop.